Honeybun Limited has advised that effective June 1, 2024, the company acquired the Swirls brand. Honeybun has further advised that with this integration, the company plans to enhance its product portfolio, offering a wider variety of baked goods and meals to meet the growing consumer demand. Sagicor Select Funds Limited, Select, the investment company which operates two exchange-traded investment funds, namely the Sagicor Financial Select Fund and the Sagicor Manufacturing and Distribution Select Fund, has advised of its intention to undertake a strategic reorganization, subject to obtaining all requisite approvals, that would result in the funds being converted into two unit trusts registered with Financial Services Commission and governed by the Securities Collective Investment Scheme Regulations 2013. In regional business, the International Monetary Fund, IMF, is urging the government of Trinidad and Tobago to resolve its foreign exchange shortages, emphasizing that this must be a top priority for the Twin Island Republic. In its latest Article 4, which was concluded on May 8, IMF directors issued a call to action regarding the ongoing foreign exchange challenges, insisting that an improvement in the way foreign currency is distributed and exchanged in the market is a necessity. They contend that this can be achieved by removing all restrictions on current international transactions and introducing a greater exchange rate flexibility over the medium term to help meet the demand for foreign exchange. Stay with us. Denise Williams has a breakdown of the latest financial market news.
During trading for the period of June 11, 2024, the following companies represent the three most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Palace Amusement Company Limited with 1,717,853 units amounted to 16.79% of the market volume in terms of sales. Sagicor Select Funds Limited Manufacturing and Distribution with 1,564,405 units amounted to 15.29% of the market volume. Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 1,472,323 units amounted to 14.39% of the market volume in terms of sales. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on June 11, 2024, registered a volume of 104,096 shares, crossing the floor of the exchange, valued at 1,964,183 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 80 cents. NCB Financial Group Limited was the volume leader with 47,944 shares, changing hands for a value of 133,284 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 32 cents, followed by National Enterprises Limited with a volume of 11,843 shares being traded for 39,788 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 8 cents. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On June 11, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $53 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $77 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $156.31 and bought the US dollars for $154.93. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.38, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of 60 cents from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $114.07 and bought for $113.47. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $4.49 selling it for $199.83 and buying it for $195.34. For our credit report tip of the day, in today's financial world, a strong credit score is more than just a number. It's a gateway to unlocking your full potential. A high credit score ensures that you're prepared for unexpected expenses and emergencies. This financial stability provides peace of mind, allowing you to focus on personal and professional growth. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company.